Welcome friends! Today we are making two delicious Vietnamese sandwiches called Banh Mi using the Instant Pot pressure cooker. The Instant Pot is a multi-function cooking appliance that reduces cooking time and enhances flavor. To make the sandwiches, you will need chicken thigh meat, pork shoulder, 1 package of Chinese barbecue seasoning mix, canola oil, crusty French bread or hoagie rolls, pickled carrots and daikon radish, sliced jalapeno, cilantro, softened sliced white onion, soy sauce, and mayonnaise. Begin by making the seasoning mix according to the package directions. Now evenly pour over the chicken and the pork. Now we're ready to sear the meat using the saute function. In the stainless steel pot, brush on some canola oil. When the Instant Pot reaches temperature, sear the meat. Once the meat is seared, add the remaining liquid. And pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. Follow the same steps for the pork. The chicken is so tender. Now we're ready to make our delicious banh mi sandwiches. This is one awesome banh mi sandwich. You really got to try the Instant Pot. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.